Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2009 Infiniti G37 coupe. So this car has a lot of issue. So my friend, he been working on this car like last year. He spent $1,000 to fix this car. Finally he found the problem. I'm gonna show you what's the issue exactly. So pretty much this car, this is the third engine being added to the car to fix the issue, but for some reason the car doesn't want to run. He put a supercharge and the car be ran and the car doesn't give no horsepower, no anything. Let's show you what he been did and the car on what's going on exactly. So guys, the problem, he been changed. He has the sensor, this one here, the car doesn't read them. For some reason doesn't read them. He changed the gasket, he changed everything. He puts new ones from the factory. He changed the timing, he changed everything. And this is the second engine. So the problem is, okay, this is the first engine. He changed everything in the car and see what's going on in the engine. Nothing wrong. He changed everything. He put everything, puts new timing. He changed everything in the car. He opened again to check again. He opened and check again, but no results. And what he did, he buy another engine, but he keep have the same problem. So guys, this is the second engine, the same issue. This second engine, and this is the third engine, and he keep have the same problem until he figure out the problem is not the engine. I keep told him the engine is not the problem. Infiniti, Nissan, they have common problems with electronic stuff. So what he found out is the wire harness. This one here is broke. He found with the heat, the harness get broke, and the car doesn't want to give no horsepower. Even with tune, with everything, it doesn't work. He spent $1,000 to fix this engine, and with no issue. Changed the injection, changed everything on the car. The car be tuned, everything, but nothing worked until he found out is the wire harness was have issue. He changed the ECU, he changed the key, he changed everything on the car. He changed the key, the ECU, two engines, and the car no result, no horsepower, no anything. So for this one, this is the code we have. We gotta leave it on the top and you gotta see what the code. And if you have the same engine, even you change your engine and the car act like same thing, this is how it's supposed to be fixed. You have to look to the wire harness. It's gotta be the issue for your car.